Good evening, everybody, and welcome to our Asea presentation. My name is Terry Malmed, and tonight we are going to do things a little differently. So how many of you have heard of Shark Tank, the popular TV show? How many of you have watched it? So tonight we're going to play the Asea Shark Tank. But before we do that, I'd like to introduce myself and my co-host for the evening. Like I said, my name is Terry Malmed. I am a triple diamond with Asea. And I am very, very pleased to be here tonight to share the greatest scientific health breakthrough of our lifetime. I am joined by my husband, Dr. Foster Malmed.
Hello, I'm here.
He is a chiropractor. He is on the medical professional board for Asea. He's also a triple diamond. He's a chiropractor, a certified applied kinesiologist, and he works at PMR Physical Medicine and Rehabilitation right here in beautiful Brewster, New York. And we are joined by two other wonderful doctors, Dr. Pilar and Dr. Joe Labriola.
Hi.
They are also chiropractors, and they have a wonderful, their own chiropractic business. It's the Chiro Health Spa of Ramsey, New Jersey. So welcome, you guys.
Thank you for having us.
Thank
We're
you.
very excited to have you. So before we get started with this, we're all just going to tell a little bit. There's 6 reasons why most people do Asea, or why they join this business, or why they try these products. One is they have a health condition. They need better sleep, better energy, better mental clarity. 2, they have somebody that they love that has a health condition or needs better sleep or better energy. 3, they like to be preventative. They like to be proactive with their health. And so they do things that help them in that arena. 4, they're an athlete. They want better performance. They want better recovery. They want to go further, faster, longer. 5, they like to look young. They want to age slowly. They want to have less wrinkles. So that's number 5. Or 6, they're looking for an opportunity, looking for multiple streams of income. So those are the 6 reasons. I'm going to tell you, I got into Asea because I had a health condition, and I was introduced to it as a sports performance product. Unbeknownst to the person who brought us in, he didn't know that I had been sick for 6 years. He knew I was a personal trainer, and he talked about this magic salt water that was going to help me in the gym. 3 days into taking Asea, I got my life back. I had trouble getting out of bed in the morning. Everything in my body hurt. Nobody could help me. Every doctor, every medication, every supplement, alternative Western, Eastern medicine, nothing worked. And 3 days, this magic salt water worked for me. So that was almost 6 years ago. I got my life back, and I'm very passionate about this. Dr. Foster, why do you love Asea?
Well, it's a pretty similar story. So mine was because I had the health of a loved one that I wanted to help. So that was her. So Terry was ill. We were offered this sports product. Didn't think it was going to have anything to do with her health whatsoever. And in 3 days, she got her life back after 6 years. So I got my wife back. My children got their mom back. Terry got her life back. And once I saw that happen, I started sharing it with patients. I was a chiropractor in a hospital at the time, and that wasn't an easy decision for me to make, but I brought in a salt water network marketing product to try to help the health of my patients, and it just flew through that hospital. So that's why I did it, was to help someone else.
Okay. Dr. Pilar, can you welcome first?
Hi, everybody. Yes, thank you for having us. Well, my story with Asea was I also had my own health condition at the time, and I'm trying to help the public get better. I'm a chiropractor, and I just was, just going through the motions. I just was not feeling well, and I was just totally stressed out, and my body started breaking down. And I'm so happy I followed my instinct with Asea, because when it was presented to me, it made sense, but it didn't make sense. And I said, you know what, I have nothing to lose. I'm going to try this. Terry, I tried it. I put my husband on it. I put my mom on it. I put 5 of my patients on it because I followed my gut, and I also knew that this product couldn't hurt anybody. And I got to tell you, in the beginning stages, I didn't know why it was working or how it was working. It was just working. And that those 5 patients we put on it turned to 10, turned to 20. And I was really, really grateful because I felt like finally we had something that we can help them with, that we didn't have to worry about injuring them in any way, shape, or form, and that they would love, and that they could probably help with overall health and wellness for the rest of their lives. And that's what I really love about Asea. The company's fabulous. The culture is phenomenal, and it's something I think we all can anchor to. And I just love it for everything. I love it for myself, my patients. I love the fact that it could help my skin. I love the fact that it could help head things off at the past. I love all those things that you talk about, and I especially love the opportunity it gives to others. So welcome tonight, you guys, and I really hope you enjoyed the show.
Welcome, Dr. Joe. And why do you love Asea?
Well, for me, I actually, it was similar. I had a health condition that I was kind of resigned in my own mind that it was just probably not going to get better. I'd lived with it for a very, very long time. And in a very short amount of time, I started using Asea, and I saw some monumental gains. And these are things gains that I had tried all kinds of other things, and nothing really was working to get it better. And so now I'm seeing what it's doing for myself. And then I just said, this is something that because I know what was going on in my own body. And I said, I didn't have any hope. And now I have hope. Other people need some hope too. And this became just like something that I could share with people all over my practice, my friends, my family, now, all over the world, which is really, really exciting.
Yeah, I'm glad you said that. We're in 26 countries now. So before we play Asea Shark Tank, there's something very exciting happened this week. And I would like Dr. Foster, who is on the medical professional board with Asea, to explain what happened. And then I'm going to tee up the video.
Okay, perfect. So I get the honor of teeing up the conversation before teeing up the video. So we had a very auspicious occasion this week. Asea came out with some new science. And if science isn't something that you love, like most of the people right here, then you'll just like the video because it says really great things about what this product does and why it works. But this is real science done by real physicists, and I think you're all going to love what this says about why it is everybody needs to be on this product.
Okay, so before we play Shark Tank, we're going to play this short video. Give me just a second to share my screen, and we'll be back with you as soon as the video is over.
Asea, literally from the inception of the company, it's been a high priority for us to put resources and attention on research and science. We've known what the product was doing for people, and it's always been a high priority for us to put money and effort behind research and prove what we were doing and validate that.
Experts are looking at health and wellness on a whole new level, the cellular level. A company called Asea has developed a groundbreaking technology that is able to replicate molecules that are native to the body and are essential to total health and wellness. Why is this important? Because redox signaling molecules are crucial messengers that help protect cells, rejuvenate them, and keep them functioning at optimum levels in the body.
Redox signaling molecules are created in every cell of the body, and they are vital to life. But as we age and with exposure to environmental toxins and other stressors that diminish cellular function, the body's ability to maintain a proper balance of redox signaling molecules diminishes as well.
So those molecules, redox signaling molecules, they are created in every single cell in the body. These molecules are critical to sustain life, they're critical to maintain health, and if you're not healthy, they're critical to become healthy.
What got me excited about redox signaling technology is when I understood the science behind it. In order to heal, you need materials and you need labor. Materials are supplied by nutrition. Labor comes from redox signaling molecules. Now, for the first time ever, we can supplement with the materials and the labor together.
I think Asea's commitment to science and validating and proving what this product does, this technology does, is very important. Asea invests in research at independent laboratories, which is wonderful because they say, here, you test it, and wherever the chips fall, they fall, because they have confidence in the product.
So when you have a scientific breakthrough as powerful as Asea's technology, it's incredibly important to have scientific validation for the hundreds of thousands of subjective reports
of improvement.
So we've been working with Asea for several years now, and what we've been most impressed with is that Asea is very interested in doing properly conducted trials. Everything we do here is double-blinded, placebo-controlled. And in the end, we're trying to produce data for Asea where all human and research bias has been removed. An example of the type of study that we have done for Asea is a randomized, double-blind, placebo-controlled community trial that we did with 106 overweight women. The women were randomized to take 4 ounces of Asea every day for 12 weeks, and we took blood samples every 4 weeks. And then we analyzed them for a wide variety of different measures: inflammation, oxidative stress, immune function. And what we found in this study, that there was a highly significant effect of taking 4 ounces of Asea on a very important marker called oxidized LDL. Now, when heart disease begins to form in the body, oxidized LDL is a major contributor to the plaque that builds up with heart disease. So this is a risk factor. And if you can keep your oxidized LDL low, your chance of heart disease goes down. And we found that drinking 4 ounces of Asea for 12 weeks reduced oxidized LDL levels in the blood. It was a highly significant finding. It was not due to chance. We also found that DNA in the body can get oxidized, and we had a marker for that. And that marker also was lower in the Asea group over time compared to placebo. So our data are supporting that probably the most important effect of Asea on what we call disease risk factors is a reduction in these types of oxidative stress.
Okay, so oxidative stress is usually electrons, unpaired electrons that are in molecules that cause damage. In the biological system, a radical is a very reactive molecule.
That is, we have an unstable oxidant, a molecule without an electron that's banging around, trying to find an electron. And every time it bangs into a molecule, into a cell membrane, then it causes damage to that cell. All degenerative health conditions are caused by oxidative stress. And in fact, 95% of all adult conditions are degenerative. They either have oxidative stress as the cause, or it's a product of the issue itself.
The results of this study are incredibly exciting. To actually have proof positive that redox signaling molecules are changing the levels of oxidative stress in the body, that's very significant. This is huge. This is incredibly exciting. Now we can share with everybody that these redox signaling molecules allow the body to go back into balance and help the body to fight oxidative stress. We're actually decreasing these levels. That's incredible.
With each subsequent study, we learn more about what it is that the product does in the laboratory, and it helps to validate for us as clinicians what we see daily with our patients.
Asea has developed a technology that stabilizes redox signaling molecules in a consumable form. Asea Redox Supplement is a one-of-a-kind breakthrough.
Because Asea Redox Supplement works at the cellular level, it enhances overall health. My athletes that I am working with are reporting increase in endurance and a quicker recovery when using Asea Redox supplements. When my athletes can recover day after day at a much higher level, then they're able to perform at a higher level, which produces a more fit athlete. Because Asea Redox Supplement works at the cellular level, it supports every kind of cell and enhances overall health. Redox single molecules support a more active, energized lifestyle.
4 ounces of Asea.
All right, guys, here we go. I am so excited about that video, but let's talk about some sharks. So have you ever seen the hit TV show Shark Tank? So, hang on 1 second here. Hang on, I'm having a little technical difficulties here.
Would you like us to start it?
Sorry, I got it. Okay. So, this show won 2 Emmy Awards and has reinvigorated entrepreneurship in America. So as you may know, the sharks on this show are tough, self-made multimillionaires and billionaires, and people from all walks of life come to them with their ideas, products, and businesses that they want the sharks to invest in. So these are everyday people with a dream to get out of the day-to-day grind and take that chance that they can get ahead in this world. And these people are entrepreneurs. Some are experienced, some are not. And their goal is to secure a new business partner, and the shark's goal is to get a return on their investment and own a piece of the next big business idea. So let's talk about Zips. Here are these really cool little things here, right? So this is Zips. It's simply put, it's wine in a single service glass with clever packaging that touts that it is unbreakable, recyclable, and can be taken anywhere. After this product aired on Shark Tank, one of the sharks actually paid $2.5 million for a 20% stake in the company. And then the company contracted sales of over $19 million in their first month. So what's crazy about that is that this product isn't necessarily something new. It's just wine. So they didn't invent the idea of wine. They didn't even invent a new flavor of wine. What they did was find a way to package it differently. They patented it, and away it went. So it's crazy the success they've had finding a way to package this something people want in a way that's convenient for them to get it. So if you've ever watched this show, you've probably thought to yourself literally more than once, why didn't I think of that? Or why could I think of that? What could I think of that might be my next millionaire idea? So here we go. Today, we're going to do something fun. For the next few minutes, you guys are going to be the shark, and we're going to show you something that is way bigger than Zips. Because not only are we going to package something uniquely, we are going to be the only people in the world that can put it in a package at all. So here are the rules. It's going to be just like the show. First, we're going to have 3 minutes to present this new product and business idea to you. And then we're going to have to answer top 5 shark questions. And after that, you're going to get to decide, is this the next big thing? And are you in? So let's find out. Here we go.
Okay, so let's start with some key questions. Why does your body age? Why does your body get sick? Why do some bodies seem to not work the way that they're supposed to, leaving us with health challenges that can be frustrating and painful? Most people feel like there really isn't an answer to these questions, or if there is, it's probably so complicated that they would never be able to figure it out without an advanced degree. But what if the answer was simpler than you thought? What if you truly could put yourself in control of your health? I'm going to share with you today a game-changing discovery called redox signaling. You may not have heard of it yet, but if you Google redox signaling, there are over 1 million references to it, with the top ones being some of the greatest scientific journals and professionals in the world, like the National Center for Biotechnology, the Journal of Cellular Science, and many more. As a matter of fact, there are now over 13,000 peer-reviewed studies on this topic alone, and over 1,200 books written on the discovery. The science and medical community have become focused on this discovery because they found that these molecules are central to all life. You see, these little molecules they've discovered are what actually allow our cells to communicate in order to get what they need. Our cells need to protect themselves and repair themselves when they get damaged, or we will start to feel it. Sickness, aches and pains, sleepless nights, all of these can be attributed to sick or weakened cells. So our cells' ability to communicate to the body and get what they need to be protected or repaired is essential for us to be well. But here's the kicker. What they've discovered is that our bodies naturally make fewer of these molecules as we age, which is what's causing so many of the symptoms of our aging bodies to happen. So the answer to taking control of your health is really quite simple. You just need to get more of these redox signaling molecules back into your body and doing their job. Well, that's where we come in. There's a group of scientists that have figured out how to create these molecules outside the body so that you can actually get more of them back inside your body through a dietary supplement in liquid form as well as a topical application. And it's working. The results that people are having is they use this product in both of its versions. They're life-changing. And here's the reason we're talking today. This group, after heavily patenting their technology, instead of doing what most would probably do, which is sell off this amazing discovery to some pharmaceutical company or put it in the power of huge conglomerates and make their big check, they chose the people. They chose to put this power into the hands of the people, to let people be in control of their health, but to also allow real everyday people like you and me to capitalize financially because of it. So that's it. We have a discovery that will significantly impact people's health. We have it in a field that has the entire scientific community buzzing, and we have it in a form that is widely accepted and growing. So now that you've had your 3-minute overview, let's start answering the top 5 questions.
So how much time did we take there, Dr. Pilar?
Literally, my alarm just went off. It was on the nose.
Woo. 3 minutes. Excellent. Dr. Malna, take it away.
Okay, so that was some presentation. So now the first question you sharks out there like to ask is, what is the market for a product like this? Well, let me tell you, according to recent statistics, in the next 4 years, the supplement market is projected to grow to $175 billion. This is because research shows that people are becoming more aware that they can impact their own health, and they are looking for the right solutions to do just that. As a matter of fact, more than 55% of Americans use supplements every day, and that number grows every year. That puts this product in the right category at the right time to impact the lives of millions of people around the globe and to create financial success for those involved. Now, of course, the second question you sharks always ask is it exclusive? Do you have the technology patented so that your business interests are protected? Here's the great news for you sharks. There are only 3 places in the entire world where you can find redox signaling molecules. The first is inside of all living cells. The second is in every bottle of the Asea Redox supplement. And the third is in every tube of Renew 28, the topical form of Asea. Asea owns this breakthrough. It has multiple patents protecting it, so no one else can replicate it. It's absolutely exclusive, protected, and ready for the world. Now, of course, you're going to want to know your market, and you want to find out who might use this product. Well, there are a few reasons people use this product. First is health concerns, either for themselves, a loved one, or even, a pet.
Yep.
This is a breakthrough technology. It's working for people all over the world. It's safe. It has a money-back guarantee, and the only thing you stand to lose when you use this product is your health concerns. So your body is made up of over 75 trillion cells. If your cells are healthy, you are healthy. It is that simple. But we live in a world that literally attacks our cells. Toxins, pollutants, stress, and poor diets damage our cells, so our cells need to be protected, they need to be repaired, and replaced all the time. Asea empowers your health using redox signaling to make sure your cells get the messages they need to protect, repair, and replace themselves, which is exactly what your body needs if you are trying to fight off something that is attacking it. The second reason is athletic performance. The use of this product fuels performance and improves recovery time, making it ideal for athletes of all kinds. Next is the way you look. All of us experience the visible signs of aging, and that's the result of cellular damage as well. From lines and wrinkles to cellulite, when you can give the cells what they need, the results are astonishing. Then there is proactive or preventative health. There are millions of people around the world currently taking daily supplements because they want to be proactive in their health. You could not possibly take a better supplement than Asea to get that done.
So now, of course, you wouldn't be good sharks if you didn't ask me to show you that I'm not just talking the talk, but this product walks the walk. So here are some before and after pictures of people using the topical version of this product. And you can see from these pictures, this product not only works, the results are life-changing. You can see anti-aging impact, smoothness to the skin, tightening of the skin, and more. Look at all of these body parts. So not only is this product getting it done in the anti-aging category, but check out what is happening with this does on cellulite. So what most people don't realize is that cellulite, it affects 90% of women and 10% of men, and often has nothing to do with weight or fitness. It doesn't, but rather it forms in areas of the body with the least amount of circulation. So the fact that all of us sit around most of the day in desk jobs, this is becoming a huge problem for people, and they're looking for a solution, mainly the women, and we have it. So, and as you can see by the pictures, this is making a difference. And if the pictures aren't convincing enough, we also conducted an independent study through a world-class laboratory that showed a 23% improvement in facial smoothness, a 22% improvement in facial texture, a 20% increase in skin elasticity, a 23% improvement in facial wrinkles, and an 11% increase in skin moisture. By the way, there's no moisturizer in here, and there's no collagen in here. So see, the topical version of this product, Renew 28, contains trillions of these little redox signaling molecules, so the skin, it's seriously fed. But you can imagine, if this is what it does to the outside of the body, what it must be doing to the inside of the body, and the proof is in the pudding there too. So let's check out some of the athletes that are using this product and experiencing the benefits. Enough so that they're willing to put their name on the line as proud users of this product. They're not just your weekend warriors. These are world-class athletes. They're people like Cody Miller. He's the reigning national champion and Olympic swimmer. Kathy Waite, she's a world champion triathlete. Dane Rauschenberg, major marathon runner. Gerard Louis Robert, he's a 9-time world master champion cyclist. I think he's 60 years old. Eddie Hall, UK's strongest man, and these are just the beginning. There are many, many more.
Also, doctors all over the world are learning about this product and recommending it to their patients because of what it does to really empower your body's natural processes so that it functions optimally. Like Dr. Gary Samuelson, who said that this technology has the potential to spearhead the greatest advances in health we have ever seen. And he's not the only one. Dr. David Silverman says, this is the greatest health breakthrough of our lifetime. This will change people's lives. Dr. Maureen Hayes said, I did my research on this technology, and I believe 100% that this has the power to change your health. World-renowned Dr. Foster Malmed says, I have never seen something that is this effective at helping the body function as it's supposed to. And again, these are just a few doctors.
There's so many doctors. So now clearly you're seeing the potential here, but any good shark knows that the product is only as good as the foundation it's built on. And we couldn't agree more. So the company was founded by Vertus Norton. He was the vice president of strategy for Kraft Foods. And after a very, very successful career, he was asked to sit on the board of several companies, including the company that found a way to make redox molecules outside of the body using, you got it, salt and water. He was fascinated by the technology and experienced his own significant health benefits just by drinking these molecules. So partnering with his son, Tyler, and a good friend, James Pack, they founded the company Asea to ensure ongoing research and product development to this amazing technology. And as you can see, more science just came out. It keeps coming out about these products. So they were offered a significant payout to sell the technology. But concerned that it would impact those using the product and needing the product, they chose people over the money and decided to let the people bring this product to the world in their own way. The company is run by Fortune 500 level executives. It's financially stable, and it's growing in multiple markets around the world. So now the opportunity is yours. And clearly this is a game changer, but I'm not asking you guys for $2.5 million for a 20% stake in our company. I'm not asking you for $500,000 for a 5% stake. Instead, for around $250 to $500, I'm going to let you have whatever percentage you are willing to work for. So here's the deal. Currently, we've only penetrated about 5% of our available market in the United States and a handful of countries like Europe and Mexico. And you have the opportunity to share these game-changing products and capitalize on this financial opportunity in a massive, massive way with a wide open marketplace. So what's the income potential? You know, how much can you make? Some earn enough money just to pay for their product so they can continue to use it for virtually no cost. Many have created monthly supplemental income to pay off debts or make life more comfortable for themselves. And still others have truly changed their life and financial outlook with Asea. So your income potential it's entirely up to you, you guys. Regardless of your goals, Asea is the place to make that happen.
So, Sharks, you're asking yourself, can you do this? If you can log into a computer and follow along, you can succeed. Because part of what makes the Asea business unique and truly groundbreaking is the development of a technology focused on enabling every person to have an equal opportunity to succeed here. This technological advance is called Genie, your own virtual business coach, who has been trained to know exactly what to do, how to do it, and when to do it. Think of Genie like a GPS for your business. Just like you can jump in your car without having any idea how to get somewhere, turn on your GPS and be guided to your destination, Genie will be with you every step of the way. You don't need any previous experience. You don't need to be an expert. You just need to have a desire to improve your life, your health, and the lives of those around you, and Genie will help you do the rest.
What an amazing presentation. So my question is, Sharks, are you in? Do you see right in front of you the next big thing? Because we did. Because Asea is a $1 billion idea, and you are in the right place at the right time to capitalize on it. You see, sometimes you don't have to be the one that comes up with the idea. You don't have to be the one that spent 10 years and millions of dollars trying to create it, license it, and patent it. But sometimes you just have to be in the right place at the right time, and opportunity will come to you. So now it's your turn to be part of the next big thing. It's your turn to catch that next wave of wealth, and it starts with your decision right now. So some people like to start by using the product for themselves. Some recognize that timing is everything, and they'll engage immediately. How are you going to start? We can't wait to see.
So you can enroll as an associate, activate with a one-time enrollment pack, 1 case, 2 tubes. You can get in with the 2 cases, you know, if it's you and your loved one. There is the 4 cases, which is the best value. And then there's the 8 cases that's deeply discounted. And just so you know, discounted packs are only available at the time of enrollment. So please, guys, get back to the person that invited you to this presentation so that they can help you to decide which is the best package for you and for your loved ones. We really hope that you enjoyed this presentation. I'm going to take this off of here and stop the share screen. And we just want to say thank you guys so much. This has impacted our lives in so many ways. And again, like we said, you don't have to be a doctor. You can be just like me, a personal trainer. It doesn't matter. This business is for everyone. These products are for everyone. They change lives. And it has changed my life. And for every one of those 6 reasons is why I do this now. For every one of these 6 reasons, Dr. Foster does it. For Doctors Pilar and Joe, it's all 6 reasons. So we hope that you will join us and again, get back to the person that invited you. Everybody have a great, great night. Thank you, Dr. Pilar, Dr. Joe, Dr. Foster for being with us. Thank you, everybody. And we hope you had fun on our Asea Shark Tank presentation. Good night, everybody.
Bye.